Hello again. Okay, so we're going to walk through quickly our walk through our agent. In fact, it's not native Rust agent. It's already has user interface as you are seeing here. So this is very basic UI where you can create new checks as it appears to you. You have to enter manually your Solana wallet address. Then if you prefer events, you have to create for option to create custom endpoints, so for local. Then next you have to uh, create a statement or a statement which will be used or supplied to the player model to check against. So we are already going to have this simple example check which reconciliates the Binance data towards address of Solana, and this is the check originated and manufactured by AI agency. You have to set up this code. For me, I set up this video for artist line here. So then we have to set up the notification channels, and what channels, by the way, only up and down. So the fact here test and run inside this function. Okay, let's in fact to run it using the reconciliate WhatsApp bot, which is can send notification and read inbound message. So you can create, edit, and launch, if I can say, already existing checks and anything useful. So let's start the check only with the bot itself. So no need to uh, call manually on the user interface. Or let's in fact let's first before proceed with the I mean the inbound messages or by bots. We have to check first this example manually through the user interface and see if we receive the notification about the reconciliation. So this check on and we have successful stores. I was running around my phone. So we have the run history here and we have custom logs, I mean the logs. I got some but not sure it's what's continuing by the way. Order to make or copy quick word to reconcile to make sure that everything works fine. So I have to select most recent word with to reconcile. Let's say this but we have to show the circle to make reconciliation. So then we have this, and then we to install, to set up the way the notification channels. And the email, then I have to select Discord. I'm going to switch to its Discord. This will be more good. We need to Discord window to get the username. Anyway, Discord ID on the computer. So I have to then I have to run one away. Then we have to see what the most abstract. To provide, but just to compare that to basic consideration task now notification shows. Oh, well, it takes, it depends by the way, as long as it don't specify duration for instance. That's what's happening because each report. Already have 5 minutes. Okay, so the first notification arrived from the Philippines bot of WhatsApp received cards is around 5 minutes. So this is about conservation. It's about somebody and how the things is going. Anyway, this is how it looks like. for the what's conciliate and I think this will invite me so already arrived for the sale for the GP. The main one which is conciliate and Estonian Estonian the main template. So this is already for the conciliation. And we have an issue with right. Still, we have this coordinates. Okay, we have this coordinate still. Has delivered the notification you see here. We have and read or receive message from the consumer. Same is with structured summary. Like same time here. Summary. And still I'm not very sure if I'm not so that's one. In fact, there is a board. Probably it's make uh, start the conversation to so probably this will be delivered right here because it's start the conversation with starts comment. Anyway, we still are same way. Anyway, this is how it looks like or how it works. The basics actually. Now we have to test. Sorry, but I should switch to email to want to see what's happening. As I said, some she's the Telegram to probably five or Telegram. Anyway, this is let's move into manual. The inbound research sales to see how our agent is actually handling the inbound research. So it reads not only send notification but handle or read inbound research. So let's ask him Sunny anything. It can respond and depends on the text. So for each message it will respond and handle uh, I mean your request. To change let's say Jerusalem or let's say this ground port for updates let's say let's choose the ground port. Sure what is the exact response, but I believe that it can handle this because I set up the layer that adopts the user request. Depends, using the LLM model, but also the check against theft or disruption behavior. So waiting what does actually respond. Meanwhile, we have to take a look into the to the live logs to see if message alive. So it's arrived here from my user interface. So just waiting for the bots or agent to handle the request. So it's see the icon is you can set some reconciliation. So it's already you don't hit the existing symbol chip. By sending the user requests normally I like human request and waiting to the name it and but we are not going to dive more into the because the demo is actually very short and tiny, so it's not let us to okay. It's an alert. So we have to confirm by using interface. Checks. So it's already named online to zero this video. So let's score. Don't forget, so this agent actually you can deploy or produce it locally if you don't want to make private. Also, there are docs how to set up bots. Also, much changes with terms in fact, it's I will be set up the WhatsApp mosquito channels, so much to sales